Ever lost your charger right when you needed it most? If you own a Suunto watch, you know how crucial it is to keep it powered and ready for your next workout or outdoor adventure. The official Suunto USB power cable is designed to deliver exactly that: fast, reliable charging and easy software updates for your device. I recently had to replace my misplaced charger for my Suunto 5, and instead of risking a generic cable, I went straight for the Suunto brand. The difference was clear. This cable fits perfectly and works seamlessly with my watch, ensuring I never miss a beat. Plus, the price was surprisingly reasonable for an official accessory. It's compatible not only with the Suunto 5 but also with models like the Suunto 3, Spartan Trainer, Ambit, and Traverse, making it a versatile choice for any Suunto user. Beyond just charging, this cable connects your watch to the Suunto app, unlocking a world of features. You can sync with your favorite sports apps, share your progress with your community, and access detailed training analysis and guidance tailored to your goals. That means more insight, better performance, and a more connected experience overall. Suunto's commitment to quality goes beyond cables. Their range of accessories, from watch straps and heart rate belts to dive gear and bike sensors, helps you customize your experience and get even more from your watch. Every product reflects Suunto's Scandinavian design ethos and rugged durability, built to keep up with your active lifestyle. Founded in 1936, Suunto has built a legacy on precision and innovation. With over 80 years of expertise, their products combine craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. When you choose an official Suunto accessory, you're not just getting a cable, you're investing in reliability and performance that lasts. If you're ready to keep your Suunto watch powered and fully connected, this USB power cable is worth a look. It's a simple upgrade that ensures your device stays ready for anything, whether you're tracking daily activity, sleep, or pushing your limits on the trail. Try it when you're ready to experience hassle-free charging and seamless syncing with your Suunto watch.